Before anything else, I want to apologize for my voice. I kinda lost it because I'm sick, but the show must go on. So by now, you guys must be very familiar with my current setup here in Makati. It's a far cry from what I previously had in Quezon City, and it's mainly because of these. These are the LEDGO LG 600 CSC LED panel lights. Back in QC, I didn't have any lights to work with, and these made the difference when I'm making content here at my new place. But I have a few problems with these. One is that they're hilariously huge for my home setup. I live in a small 30 square meter studio unit, and every inch of space counts. These things just take up so much precious space. Second is that they're hard to put away. It's just too cumbersome to detach them from the C-stands and return them to the bag every time I'm done shooting. Third is apart from shooting video, they serve no other purpose. I can't use them to light my desk when I'm doing delicate work because they're too big. They get in the way, and they only have tilt and pan for angle adjustment. And with these big barn doors, movement is very limited. And lastly, my most important problem with them is that they're not mine. They're lent to me from the company I work for, Brento Inc. And I only have these on loan because I also shoot here at home for some of the videos that I produce for the company. These problems generally don't get in the way of me producing good content for you guys, but they do make me feel kind of a cheat. My channel revolves around making the best shots that I can with just items that I either have lying around the house or can get for cheap. These lights cost around 14,000 pesos each. That's around $275. And for a channel that champions DIY content creation, that simply isn't acceptable. But with the last 12/12 sale from local online shopping portal LAZADA, I found my new lights. And here they are. One big box and one small box. Let's open up the big box first. This is a standing lamp. Once we open up the box, we can see all the parts in a foam mold to protect it from bumps during shipping. It comes with a weighted base, 3 metal tubes for the body, articulating arm with built-in wiring, and a metal cup shield for the light. Let's get it assembled. Here it is. Of course, it won't light up because there's no bulb included. That's where the smaller box comes in. This is the Andoer E27 40-watt LED bulb. It's really big and it's a really strong light. There is no assembly required, so we can pop it straight into my lamp. Let's do that right now and test out the light. That's crazy bright. And since this is an LED light, it won't be consuming too much electricity and producing too much heat. Here's a comparison of the LEDGO lights and my lamp light. As you can see, the LEDGO lights have softer shadows because of the built-in diffuser. But the main advantage with the lamp is that I can articulate it to whatever position I need. I can position it straight down, straight up, to the side. I can even angle it facing me so I can light my face during my gaming streams. But its main downside is that the lamp does not come with a dimmer switch. This is just an on and off switch. But I will be replacing this with a dimmer switch in the future. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a how-to video for that. Think about that. I can get this kind of result with just a $14 light and a $20 lamp. It's not as delicate as a $275 studio light, but it's not far. And since I have 2 LEDGO lights to replace, I have another set of lamp and lights just waiting to be assembled. I'm excited to start working with these to hopefully bring you better content that's more in line with what I champion in this channel. Making the best shots with what you can with what you have in the house, or can easily buy for cheap online. Also, so I can return these to the office. So that's my desk update part 3. Do you have any questions about the LEDGO lights, the lamp, or the Andoer LED bulb? Let me know in the comments. And please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more straight to the point videos like this. My previous video was my customization of the World Balance X Star Wars Darth Vader shoes. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it. It's pretty good. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!